Life is the greatest gift. Protect and cherish it, my brethren and my sister. Because today you there, tomorrow you gone.
Gangs and knife crime in the
Yes,
UK.
people, blessed love, blessed day. I line foot again on the sermon this morning. Where I told you all good morning and have a blessed day. Well, it's now in the evening. You know, finish work and I go in and now steam to swim around. And but I just experience a little incident star. I say shook me up, shaking star, the youths them. The black youths them. Unalive after one another star. I tell you, yo, shook me up. Literally experiencing that, you know. I hear from the short say one of them got stabbed and ambulance and I drive when I look for him, you know what I mean? I did see the youth drop 2 times, you know, after the crowd come down and undercover police lady. I have to big up that police lady there. Very brave. I don't know should do it because the youth them literally run come right on my foot. With a peanut in a peanut buckle in a man, plastic buckle, you know, with them raw peanut there. You have to draw for that for defense. You know. One of them run going to one shop where I sell suitcase and pots and them thing there. Take up 2 Dutch pot, frying pot. And his rivals them have knife. Literally I look on the blade them. Right side of me. More move and can't move. I will see the youth them run come down on him. More intervene and nah, I'm afraid. I say, no. I look on the blade. I'm afraid. I don't want nobody stab me. Try to see me can make out none of them. I don't know them. I don't know the youths them start. 17-year-old, 18, 16. You know. Maybe 20. If on the short one of them get stabbed. And I did see the youth drop. I run off cars when everything broke up now and the police intervene, undercover police lady. I have to commend her because she come right by that time when the youth get another joke. And she shoot him and said, no, stop it. Hey, flash her badge. And there's a bus. She depending on come off of the bus, you know. And the youth, I saw the youth them start split up now because they must say, wait. Undercover police. And she called them and then police take 5-10 minutes to come, 10 minutes. You them done one gone, but you know the camera them have follow the camera footage car. Hold up a camera there, you know. On the lane, you see me? So you know so them have some of them never mask up neither. And the youth them in a full black. So when the sun is shining, you know. So England go and run, you know. I don't know about America still, but when the sun hot a beer thing go on, you know. I tell you, say, yo, right now, I'm shaking up, man. You know, there was a lady there. Happened that she know one of the youth them. She a cuss, I say, me and my Rasta Virgin are raising slims. See, and she say, be people stand up out there, man, and I watch the youth them, and nobody now try to stop it. I tell her, I say, man, lady, you see how the youth them have? Me now go there, you know, intervene, you know, they mute them head hot and them now no behavior. Me now go there, I've tried part the bad with the knife and being a hero, and I mean ended up get joke. I tell her straight. The next Rasta Virgin, I tell her, I say, yo lady, a customer I get mad for her. Because we have some parents try with them kids, feel. She just said she have 2 kids and her youth them, they turn out that way there. The eldest are 20. Touch wood for her and credit her, but it's hard for some parents. Some mother try, some father try. Some father watch the youth them come follow them footsteps in a badness. End up at jail like them. Some father fail the youth them. Yeah, some parents try. You know? So I tell her straight say, yo, Sorry, no, mommy. Me not intervene, you know. You see me, cause me no want to get stabbed. Me have my youth them to live for. And we know the youth them stay. And them youth are no war with gun. Them war with gun in a what? Knife. And some machete. And them know where to stab you too. One part in your leg or, you know. Them know where to stab you. If you juke you, if you cripple up or, yeah. You're gonna need the dirt, you know. It's sad, man. It's sad, man. I tell you something, shaking up, cause the youth, you could have seen the fear in them high. Cause the whole thing in them hand is a plastic bucket filled with peanut. And them a run from them and them a juke off of them and them a sight and them a sight and it's... Boy, oh boy. You know? Me never pre if you take out no phone now. Some people are talking about people should have video and so police can get it. I say, video what? We not do that on the ground. I know upon our strip, so no one come say, oh, lion foot a video this and post. No, sir. We not do them thing there, you see me? So yeah, we have to, that with social media, you have to know how to act and know how to move. Yeah, we deal with truth and rights, yes, and justice, but certain things, you can't break the code, you have to know the badness code. You see me? Yes, me tell you, so when you know video and post, when you know video and post it. You know video nothing. You're mad. And if I'm mic wrong that, nobody come say a lion foot. No, sir. We just want the youth them to stop the crime star and stop the knife crime star. Yo, me say me shaking up. I don't know if anyone experienced that. But I'm tell you, say right side of me. I'm a Rasta Virgin saying, hey, big up Montserrat people, you know. Yeah, he's from Montserrat, you know. Big up the Montserrat people. I one love, one family, man. You see me? Me and the man that are reason. Black, big up yourself, you know, take a rest. Jano Star. Let me say fear, you can see the fear in the youth eye. And about 5 of them, you know, 5, 6 of them. 3 of them have knife. And then when you look, you see more of them are come. Because some of them work, you know, they use them phone. And you see more of them are come. And about 3 to 4 of them, the youth them went down the knife. We one of them I say, no, yo, me I tell you, it's scary, man, shocking, man. Last night my son said I go gym after 12 to 1 in the morning. I said, why you have to go gym so late? In the street, you know, but you know what I mean? And I tell him, say, yo, anything you know, just mention my name, you know. They say, yo, you see me, but if you know the street, because from him look, I have him on the road, you know. But I know him, and more time, my friend them tell me, say, all the shop people, me say, yo, I see your son, you know, you get big, you get me? So, but you never know. More time, the devil work in some ways where you walk and you know, get no trouble, you know, look no trouble, you just walk and people come look trouble, mistaking, you know, identity. The street wicked out there, man, grimy, man. You know, I mean, I don't know if I have no advice with the parents because everybody say it, at time and time we say it, you know. Mothers, fathers, be there for your child because if you don't, they're going to grow vulnerable and wild. And it's hard, the single mothers, them hard. It's hard upon them, and I saw the government set the system because you have the couple of the parenting and then them force out any little problem, them force out the woman, then love call police too, you know. And then love the money, then call police. And then police tell the man them say, oh, them have to leave. The man them get put out, lock up in prison. Have the kids on them own, the mother them and them struggle. Enough of the mother them hard upon them. Enough of them try. I not say enough of them not try, you know. Enough try and enough don't try. Enough of them are born with them son and them thing there and them daughter. Yo. But me I tell you some people on Friday, I'm glad I never witness no RIP and the DEAD, you know. The youth them run off, because when them see the undercover police, the lady, she alone, they run off, you know. But you know, camera go track them and find them. But the ambulance are driving and try to find the youth to get stabbed, you know. Can run and him drop 2 times, you see me? Yo, streets grimy, man. Youths, stop the knife crime and behave on yourself. Jailhouse, dead house, and that's how not gonna end up. We are talking about Jamaica, and I see him thinking of the UK too. Knife crime for stop, man. You see me? Yes, thank you. Good? Big up on yourself and a blessed love.
I give thanks for life every day I open my eyes. I pray to the Lord while I watch the sunrise. I let him know that I'm grateful, even though I don't have a plate full.